Hi. This article describes how to publish RDF data with persistent identifiers using w3id.org, with redirects pointing to a Snorql sparql interface.
What is the context for this? Is it a specific project?
Yes, an educational metadata project. The publication site is at sukilam-educational-metadata.github.io, and it includes a Snorql page for querying the RDF data via sparql.
Snorql is a lightweight web interface for sparql endpoints. What's the backend?
The sparql endpoint was built using Dydra, a cloud-based RDF triple store. Snorql was configured to point to that endpoint.
And the GitHub Pages site serves as the publication page for the data? How do you get persistent identifiers from w3id.org?
You fork the permoid/w3id.org repository on GitHub, add a configuration for your namespace, and submit a pull request.
What does the configuration look like?
It's an apache.taxs file with a rewrite rule. In this case, any access to w3id.org/sukilam-educational-metadata/ gets redirected to the Snorql page with a described query for that URI.
So clicking a persistent URI dynamically generates a Snorql page showing the RDF description for that entity.
Exactly. A 302 redirect is used, pointing from the w3id.org URI to the GitHub Pages Snorql URL with the URI as a query parameter.
Is there a downside to this approach?
Yes. The dynamic Snorql approach creates a dependency on the sparql endpoint. If Dydra becomes unavailable, the redirects stop working.
For long-term preservation, static HTML pages generated for each URI would be more reliable.
That's noted in the article. Static pages are more stable but require regenerating them whenever the data changes.
So the right choice depends on how frequently the data is updated and how critical long-term stability is.
Exactly. The dynamic approach is simpler to set up and works well for exploratory or smaller-scale LOD publication.